Okay, so to solve this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the FOIL method. So we're gonna multiply first, outer, inner, and last. Before we even get to the complete the square. So first is u squared. That takes care of this. And then outer, it's u plus 10, so that's 10u. And then the inner is this here. So negative 14 plus u. So that's minus 14u. And then for the last, it's the negative 14 times 10. So that's going to be negative 140. And leave the negative 104 as is. Then we're going to combine the middle terms. So we get u squared minus 4u minus 140. I'm leaving space because I know I'm going to use the completing the square method. What I'm going to do, again, we get a 4, but that's just by chance. Negative 4. I'm going to divide it by 2 and square it. So I get a 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So I'm going to add a 4 and subtract the 4. And I like doing the add 4, take away 4, because it shows that we're really adding nothing. We're just changing the format of it. Okay. And then that makes a very nice, what we call a perfect square trinomial. In other words, it makes this u minus 2 squared. You need to be careful with the signs, because there won't always be a minus in the middle. And then over here, I'm going to combine these, which is negative 144, but I might as well add 144 to both sides just because I'm running out of space. And that's going to leave me with I want to say 40. Feel free to catch any errors I make. But I believe we're on the right path here. And so now I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I'm left with u minus 2 on the left, and on the right, let's work with the square root of 40 over here. Square root of 40 is the same as the square root of 4 times 10, which is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 10, which is 2 root 10. That might be a little bit tricky for us if we don't remember how to do that. So I'm left with plus or minus 2 root 10. And then I'm simply going to add 2 to both sides. And so my answer is u is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 10. And that gives me my two answers for this quadratic by using complete the square.